Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about 8 tasty ways to boost your vitamin A intake. Delicious and nutritious ideas. Hey there, ever wonder how to amp up your vitamin A intake without sacrificing flavor? Well, wonder no more. We've got 8 delightful ways to add this essential nutrient to your diet, keeping you feeling vibrant and healthy. 1. Red peppers. These vibrant veggies are not only delicious but also packed with vitamin A. This nutrient is especially important for moms to be as it supports the growth and development of the baby. Just half a cup of red peppers provides almost half of your daily requirement of vitamin A. 2. Spinach. Popeye's favorite food is not only good for muscles but also for boosting your vitamin A levels. Spinach is rich in provitamin A, which is found in certain fruits and vegetables. While your body needs to process it, the health benefits make it worth adding to your diet. 3. Beef liver. While it may not be everyone's favorite dish, beef liver is a powerhouse of vitamin A. This essential nutrient plays a crucial role in supporting your immune system, helping to keep infections at bay. Adding beef liver to your diet can ensure you're getting a healthy dose of vitamin A. 4. Sweet potatoes. These versatile root vegetables are not only delicious but also an excellent source of vitamin A. One baked sweet potato provides more than enough of this essential nutrient to meet your daily requirements. Plus, they're a great addition to any meal or snack. 5. Ice cream. Yes, you read that right, ice cream can contribute to your vitamin A intake. While it may not be the healthiest option, it's good to know that you're getting some vitamin A along with your sweet treat. However, moderation is key to balancing indulgence with a healthy diet. 6. Pumpkin pie. Indulge in a slice of pumpkin pie for a tasty dose of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it also supports heart, lung, and kidney health. Plus, it's a perfect dessert option for any occasion. 7. Carrots. Known for their eye health benefits, carrots are rich in vitamin A. Just half a cup of raw carrots gives you half of your daily requirement of this essential nutrient. Whether enjoyed as a crunchy snack or added to salads and stir-fries, carrots are a versatile and nutritious addition to any meal. 8. Supplements. If getting enough vitamin A from food is a challenge, consider fortified foods like cereals and milk, or talk to your doctor about supplements to ensure you're meeting your needs. While it's best to get nutrients from whole foods, supplements can be a helpful option for filling any gaps in your diet and maintaining overall health. With these 8 fun and delicious options, boosting your vitamin A intake has never been easier. Whether you're munching on sweet potatoes or treating yourself to a slice of pumpkin pie, you'll be nourishing your body and fueling your health journey. Cheers to happy eating and a brighter, more vibrant you. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.